So good morning to all. So today we are going to discuss about for 17th June your computer exam. So 14 mark question. So you need to study only chapter 1 and chapter 2. You need to study only chapter 1 and chapter 2. So here you need to study all the one word questions. So in book by there should be one word questions are there. And then filling the blanks are there. Multiple choice questions are there. So here you need to study all the book inside the question also, then only you get the full mark. For that you need to concentrate on some topics like types of computer. So here types of computer, if you read and study full, then only you can write that questions. So type of computer we already studied that it is classified into purpose ways, means a purpose ways, a principle of operation ways, then type of digital computer also. So you can study each type in detail. So from here only too many questions are here in analog computer, digital computer. So not a direct question what you mean by analog computer, what you mean by digital computer. You should study detail. So digital computer, why, what is how that digital computer is work. So it is clearly written here. So data is converted into binary form in zeros and ones. So like that only questions are asked for that exam. And what you mean by embedded computer, not a direct question. So like that, for example, one example is desktop PC is an example of dash. So answer is microcomputer. So like that only questions are coming in this exam. So you need to read this entire chapter line by line. So another question is like a PDP-11. PDP-11 is an example of dash. So if you know it is a mini computer, then only you can write that answer. So you study all this. So examples of my mini computers, not a direct questions. Then supercomputer. Then another example like that IBM 3090 is an example of dash. So answer is mainframe computer. So like that only questions are asking. Section A objective types of questions are there. So you can study these questions. So this type of questions are coming, not exact like this. So the physical components of the computer system is called what? Physical components means only hardware. So the programs or instructions that tell the computer what to do is known as software. So the part sends a signal to other part of the computer to tell them what you do means what. So that is the answer. So find the answer and study this type of questions. So which one is device is that is the brain of the computer system? CPU, CD-ROM, scanner, mouse. So if you study this chapter, you can easily write this question answer. So first one answer is CPU. So like that only. So then the computer dash are the physical part that make the computer system. They are the parts of you can see and dash. So computer hardware are the physical parts. So last one the parts you can see and touch, that is called hardware. So this type of questions only asked in the exam. Okay, so study these all the answer also. And here the theoretical questions are also here, so you need to study this. So not only this, you can read that inside the chapter. So if you study this book back question, you get some mark only. So most of the question we asked from inside only. So if you study this inside the chapter fully and the book back question, then only you will pass. Then here all the type C questions, we already write this called the question. Type C questions are important for chapter 1. Then here some theoretical questions are here. Which of the following is not a characteristic of computer system? Perform fast, perform mathematical calculations, apply judgment on its own unknown expected situations, safer in dangerous place like mines. So what is the answer? Answer should be not. It is not a characteristics. The question is that it is not a characteristics. So answer should be C and D, because computer cannot take any judgment. So and the computer is not safe for any under dangerous situations. So answer should be C and D. So then third question, unprocessed data is called unprocessed raw files is called data. So find this type of question and answer. So in your textbook there are too many true or false questions are there. So you can study that questions also. So not a direct questions you can study. If you study that question, you will get some ideas about this chapter. Then you can get the minimum mark. So if then you can study all the question inside the textbook. Means read the textbook full line by line. Then only you will get a full mark. Okay. So in chapter number 2, type of hardware we study. Type of hardware in chapter number 2, type of hardware we study. So in here it is important memory. Memory means we study that bit, byte, megabyte, terabyte. So that one table is there. That table is important. Then this name is also main memory is also called primary memory or internal memory. Auxiliary memory is also called secondary memory or external memory. So this area also important. So then unit of memory, you should study the unit of memory, you will get some mark. Okay, like this. So you need to study this full box. So 1 bit is equal to like that 8 bit is equal to 1 byte, 1024 byte is equal to 1 KB. Then full form of ASCII. ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Then RAM vs ROM. So what are important difference between RAM and ROM? So if you study this, this table is important. If you study this table, you will get some 2 or 3 mark. So you need to study RAM is a volatile, ROM is non-volatile, RAM is lower than ROM is lower than RAM. So study this. Then firmware is also important. What you mean by firmware? Firmware is a small program that is stored on that ROM. So firmware is normally stored on the ROM only. So then RAM and ROM that are referred to as what? Immediate access storage, IAS. The full form is immediate access storage. So this is important things. So RAM and ROM and this unit of memory you study, you will get more than 5 mark. So not a direct question, study detail. Okay. Then the working of hard disk is also important. Working of hard disk, so you should study this figure. So the hard disk is containing platter, read write head, then read write head, platter is there, then two sides are there. There's a spinning